Hey guys, it's Binky Watkins with Nan Properties, and today is going to be a day in the life of a realtor errand day. So it's Friday, and I have doctor's appointments and errands to run because I have 2 open houses this weekend for my listings, and this is going to be documenting all the things you have to do to get ready for an open house weekend, a weekend of open houses, if you will. So come along with me and we'll see. Oh, and I did not get ready. I did not put on makeup. So this is a day in the life of a realtor without makeup, red skin, hair in a bun, and yeah, sorry about that. Today we're at Inspiration Coffee House in Humboldt, the Tuscaloosa area. I've never tried this before, so I will let you guys know if it's good. Please excuse the no makeup because it's an errand running day and I did not put makeup on. I had to go to the doctor, and now I'm running errands for my open house for tomorrow. So I'll let you know if it's good or not. So I ordered a latte with vanilla syrup in it, so a vanilla latte. The only thing I'm gonna complain about is the size. That's their largest size, I guess, is 12 ounce. Not big enough. I'm gonna need 3 of these just to get through the day. It's good. It's good coffee. Now let's check out this very, very strange cookie. It's supposed to be a Dubai cookie, but it looks more like a Dubai rock. I just wanted to taste it. I don't want the whole cookie, but I did want to see because it intrigued me. It's not going to be, it's not going to be easy to eat. The cookie part is delicious. I can't really get to the pistachio Dubai part because it just falls apart. Let's see. It's good. There's a lot of cookie to Dubai cookie ratio, Dubai pistachio cream, but it's a good cookie. Alright, that's my review. Bye. Okay, stop 2 for the day is nails. I have not had a pedicure in months and months because I've been so busy with real estating and kids and yada yada yada. So today I'm getting my feet done. Thank you, Jesus. And so I'm gonna review. There's a gazillion and 1 nail places in this area, so today I'm gonna review Tipsy Nails, and I'll let you know. I've had my nails done here before, but they all feed into one because they all blend into one because there's so many of them. I'll let you know if it's clean and good. Okay, they did a great job on my nails. I don't get any color. I know, I'm boring. And third stop is picking up flyers for my open house for my new listing in Clear Lake. It's FedEx and Kingwood. They're always good. No need to review them, but if you do need open house flyer, they're your people. It's the one on Westlake Houston Parkway, right before Kingwood Drive. Bye. They were super fast. Looks good. I ordered the wrong paper type, but that's okay because these will work. Looks good. Open house tomorrow and Sunday. I forgot to film my fourth stop. My fourth stop was just HEB to get various for my open house. It's a 4th of July theme, and we are doing mimosas, apple pie, and hot dogs, which are not obviously truly hot dogs and apple pie, but something in that vein. So yeah, that's stop 4. It's really stop 5 because I went to the doctor this morning, so that was the first stop. I did not video that, but now stop 6 for gas, so that I have gas all weekend and I don't have to stop in the middle of the heat in the open house. But also, let me say, if you're not from Texas and you don't know what this is, you are missing out. It is our family-owned grocery store chain, and it is bar none the best grocery store, even if it's not a Whole Foods or Sprouts. It's got a lot of organic stuff, and it's family owned, and they have a lot of their own items. So if you are missing out, if you come to Texas, find yourself an HEB. I promise you won't be disappointed. Okay, 5th stop, TJ Maxx, to get all the housewares for all the serving things for the home, for the house, open house. Oh my gosh, my brain. It's so crowded here. It's Father's Day. I got all this swag for the open house. Ugh, and I look awful. And then obviously a gift for Father's Day. The line is absolutely insane at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Okay guys, last stop was at my office. I will show you. 725 Yale. I'll show a bigger picture. Had to get the rest of my supplies for my open house, my swag to give away. So if you're in the area in Clear Lake, 3702 Millbridge, we're having 4th of July open house with hot dogs and apple pie and red, white, and blue mimosas. Anyway, my day is finally done. I can go home, put makeup on, get dressed, and go out for Father's Day. Until next time. This was the day in the life of a realtor errand day. All right, bye guys. So this is Nan, 725 Yale Street in the Heights. Stop by.